Dodge is a D for dirty brown. Welcome to RCindustry.
Well, hey, it's Rick here, and boy, you can tell it started snowing. It started snowing, and it snowed for almost 24 hours. And we wound up with about 3 inches of snow, and then an inch of ice, and then another 4 or 5 inches on top of that, so of snow. So anyway, this is just a video of that. So sit back and enjoy, and hope you got stayed warm and had electricity for it.
Well, hey, it's Rick here, and as you can see, the snow has stopped, and I think we got about 6-8 inches. It was a little bit more, but it all blew and drifted, so now we got some ice on it, so I don't even know if I can do anything, but I'm going to try to take my electric snowblower, since I procrastinated and didn't get the blade put on the tractor, so, you know, that's my fault, you know, hey. But anyway, so yeah, so I'm going to see what I can do, and I'll show you more. And this video goes out to all you people who like this cold weather, because I don't. It's 30 degrees out here, which is the warmest time of the day for this today. So I sprinkled some of this ice melt down on here, and you can hear it popping and cracking, so it might help break it up a little bit. Maybe we'll get some sunshine tomorrow. I don't know. I do know one thing. Let's see if old Blue Brown will start. I don't know if it will, but I gotta get the keys out of here. It's all iced over. I don't even know if I can get the door open. There we go. Didn't want it parked there during the storm because limbs tend to fall out of that tree, and I didn't want to break the windshield in this thing or something. So I think now I'm going to back it up over there, and then because tomorrow I got to get my work van out and go over to my mom and dad's. So yeah, I'm going to see if I can get her to back up. Show you more. Hey guys and gals, I wanted to take this brief instant to let you know the best way to support this channel is to get your RCindustry merch. Trucker hat, hoodie, we got gray t-shirts, we got black t-shirts, and we got white t-shirts. And since it's cold outside, of course, like I said, we have hoodies, and these come in all 3 colors as well. So stay warm out there. And remember, go to Shop RCindustry and get all the merch. Thanks for supporting the channel. What are you guys barking at, huh? Oh, are Rosie and Gunnar out? Yeah, they're having fun, aren't they? Well, it's just kind of a short little video to show you what's going on around here. Yeah, and it's supposed to snow again Friday, so that means I'm not going to be working on this. I still need to fix the brakes or fix that brake line. I want to get started on old, brown bag over there, but I can't do nothing out here in this. Anyway, hope you all are safe. Like old JB would say, you're safe and no loose lug nuts and, all that stuff. And hey, get out there and just drive it like Stephen holds. And, hey, I can't even check the oil on this thing. It's frozen solid. So, anyway, as always, we're making it just like brand used here, baby.